The Philippines was taken by surprise by the large-scale arrival of 150 advanced helicopters from the United States, delivered aboard the massive C-5M Super Galaxy strategic airlift aircraft. This operation highlighted the United States' exceptional capability to rapidly deploy large military assets across the Indo-Pacific region. The C-5M Super Galaxy, recognized as one of the largest cargo aircraft in the world, landed at several key Philippine air bases. US Air Force crews worked around the clock to carefully unload the helicopters, following strict safety protocols and precision handling procedures. The helicopters delivered are modern variants equipped with advanced avionics, enhanced heavy lift capabilities, and state-of-the-art navigation and communication systems. Their arrival significantly strengthens combined air operations and rapid response capabilities in Southeast Asia. The unloading process was conducted by specialized US Air Force personnel with extensive experience in strategic airlift missions. Each helicopter was carefully extracted from the C-5M using dedicated ground equipment before being transferred to maintenance hangars for assembly and technical inspection. The C-5M Super Galaxy played a critical role in this mission due to its extraordinary payload capacity, allowing multiple helicopters to be transported in a single flight. Its intercontinental range and heavy lift performance enabled fast delivery without the need for repeated transit stops. The arrival of the 150 helicopters forms part of ongoing defense cooperation and joint training initiatives between the United States and the Philippines. These efforts aim to enhance interoperability, operational readiness, and coordinated responses to a wide range of security scenarios. Beyond military operations, the helicopters are also designed to support humanitarian assistance, disaster relief missions, and medical evacuations. Given the Philippines' vulnerability to natural disasters such as typhoons and earthquakes, this expanded airlift capability offers significant benefits. The deployment quickly drew public attention and interest from regional defense analysts. Many observers view the large-scale delivery as a strong signal of the United States' continued commitment to regional stability and security in the Indo-Pacific. Philippine personnel were actively involved in coordination efforts and initial familiarization activities, enabling direct knowledge transfer from US Air Force crews. This cooperation further strengthens the long-standing military partnership between the two nations. From a technical standpoint, each helicopter underwent comprehensive post-transport inspections after being unloaded from the C-5M. These procedures ensured that all aircraft met operational standards before participating in training or other missions. The large-scale logistics operation underscored the US Air Force's global mobility advantage. The ability to move hundreds of air assets swiftly across continents remains a key element of modern defense strategy. Overall, the arrival of 150 advanced helicopters transported by C-5M Super Galaxy aircraft marks a significant moment for the Philippines. In addition to reinforcing bilateral defense cooperation, the deployment enhances regional readiness to address future security and humanitarian challenges.